What's up guys, it's your girl Sandy. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a sad loss in the dancehall family again. We don't know what going on. Every day somebody is gone. So we'll have a little short video for giving a little update on Movado mom just passed. So I wanna send my condolences from my family to yours. And please stay strong and just go and pray and hold the faith. Alright guys? So before we get into the video, I want to like, comment, share and subscribe. And just stay blessed and stay safe out here. Alright guys?
Jano Star, today is a sad day for Gully God still now. For a reason why I said that today Dante if you go back for knowing faith in the justice system is it. So a DJ must have go through a lot saying go lose him mother same day. One thing we can say, big up yourself, Gully God, and just go and hold the faith. Yeah man. Enough love to the Gully side family.
Yeah, for real, I know him must have got through a hard time because his son and then his mother, it is all come like the whole world are come crashing down on one somebody head. So I understand when you feel, because you don't know if you have a loss, we all know how that feel and things. So we want to rest in peace, Miss Pinny. You see me? Life short, it's not easy, brother. So I'm gonna go and read something when I see off of the internet. I'm filling you in pan what go on. Just look, such a beautiful family, don't it? That's Miss Pinny right there side of the lady in the pink dress and the little boy in the white with the blue tie. Yeah, it's a very sad day still. But alright, I'm not going to listen what go on now. The mother of dancehall artist Movado, Elizabeth Miss Pinny Gordon, died suddenly at a hospital in Kingston last night, while the sentencing of his son, Dante Brooks, has been postponed to March 19 after he was convicted for a murder earlier this year. It was sudden. She wasn't sick. So right now, this kind of sudden, so whole a cassava piece feel it. People are gonna miss Miss Penny. Is 3 years ago, Movado released a tribute song, Mama, on the JA production Lighthouse Rhythm to his mother, where he sang that Mom, man never left you on a board side on the gully. Me take you out, an admission of his humble beginnings before superstardom. In the song, he DJ'd, "You're proud of your son, so me proud of myself. Yeah, she teach me to pray over myself." So you see what me I say, guys? It's when you listen to your mother all when she pass and gone, her words still in your heart, in your head, everything what she teaches still a go live on same way. So you have to just stay strong and hold faith and pray. You see me, and I in a road this. Mama still a look over your same way, my father. Just go and hold it, my brother.
Yeah man, big up yourself, Gully God man, for you get to move your mother from off of the Gully side and make she see certain life where she never get to see in her life and is it. So big up yourself man. Just life goes on and thing and just big up Dante, set speed. Don't know you have your family to focus on now, mommy. Gone another earl and thing. So I just my heard that you see me. Remember to like, comment and share and subscribe.
Yeah, man, golly, God, I just one love, Life goes on, As me say, and I say it stop. Mama still want to look from above. And still a smile, and I say, boy, my boy, still a go out with it. Remember you say, no, you left mama down a yard, you go and do it for her. So you have to just go and do it for her same way. She still a go proud same way. She still a go look down upon you same way. She still a go there by your side. Your guardian angel for life, that my brother. So just go and stay strong. Big up yourself. Hope everything go through well with your son. And you can just start back on a regular normal life. With this one back of stress on the head and things. So just
Gully side for life.
a gully side for life, you see me? Big up the whole of down a cassava piece same way, because I don't know how to make the thing happy for you man same way, you see? Yeah man, so you don't know everybody who represent for dancehall. We'll send condolences to everybody out there, anybody who pass or nothing. My sister Bonnie Wheeler gone the other day. Shaba mother gone. Every day is a new thing. So I want to just stay safe, hold your faith, be strong, pray every day, you see me? And your girl Shelly, aka Sandy. Sandy aka Shelly. Anything we want to call it. Follow us on Instagram. Check out our merch website. Stay tuned for our membership on our channel and everything. So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, big peace out.